Alright guys, this just came in the mail for me today. Literally Thanksgiving Eve. The new Dji Mic Mini. You know we gotta unbox this. So I gotta find a spot where I can unbox this. Let's do that right now.
Aye. What? Look. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. Huh? They ain't talking about nothing. Aye. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. Huh? They ain't talking about nothing. Pickable, I just put them bookers in my chain. Pickable, 80 pointers like a Kobe game. Pickable, 7.62s, I make them plain. Pickable, popping out, you better not smell my name. Pickable, put 2 foreigns on the 405. Pickable, Kashi Pepper if I'm doing pasta. Pickable, why you acting tough on IG Live? Pickable, you know my little niggas off they rocker. Pickable,
surprise, bitch, it's that nigga chicken cheese. Pickable, let me FaceTime my op, bitch, I'm up the street. Pickable, yes.
Alright, let's unbox this. I'm in a bad spot right now. This is the only spot I can really find that got me in this level where you can see this. Let's bust it right open. And I crushed the box on my way here. I was laying on the damn box. See this noise you got behind me? There's a reason why I kinda came here, because it's already kinda loud. So this is gonna help out with that. So presentation. You're probably asking which one's this one. This is just the standalone mic kit. That's what I did. That's what I ran with. The pouch feels fire. Like, this feels so much better than the pouch that I got on the other one at the house. So here we go. We got 2 wind screens. We have black, and we also have gray. Tough. I'm gonna rock out with the black because black goes with like pretty much everything. Put that to the side. The charging stand. I was a little, I'm still a little iffy about this. I don't like traveling with extra stuff, but I don't know if you can see that. The stand, DJI. I'm surprised it doesn't have DJI there, but charging stand. I'll leave that out just because when I get the mic out, you can see what the mic looks like on top of that. Charger. I'm surprised it's not USB C to C, is just USB A to C. What else is in here? The poison pack. You already know what that is. You don't need that. Poison pack. I ain't gonna lie though, yo, this case is fire. This case is tough. Here we go. The creme de la creme. The baby. The cop out. I'm not gonna hold you. This thing is tiny. Look at the size of that guy. You see that? Do you see the size of this? Insane, guys. Wow. Can y'all see that? So dope. The magnet still strong as hell. I wanna boot it up right away, but before we do that, I wanna see. Oh yeah, it's magnet. So that's actually cool. I think like once you plug it up, it's magnetized. So boom. That's pretty tough. So when you're done with a long day of shooting, hop that sucker on, charge it up. Leave that on the side. Let's see how it looks with the windscreen on. Black windscreen. What color if you decide to buy this later, what color are you buying? Let's see how this goes. Goes this way, right? So it has 2 holes on top, 2 holes on the side. Let me get it out the case. I'm not gonna lie, this is a little difficult to put on. Is it because I'm nervous? I don't want to break it. It's so small. It is so small. I'm like afraid I'm gonna snap this thing. What the hell? All right. Yep, we got it. I mean, it was tough, but it wasn't like, you know what I mean? So it just snaps on there just like that. It's kind of, all right, so one thing I'm not feeling, the screen is kind of in the way of the clip. So to press that down, see that? It's kind of in the way, but it is what it is. Put that sucker right here. Now for me it's more of how does it sound, you know? So what we're gonna do is just pack this guy up right back into the bag you go. And let's switch over. My next clip is gonna be with the thing on. We're gonna try this out together. Got some birds next to me. See these guys hanging out with me. Crazy birds.
Something to sleep. He on the ground, I praise God and start stumping feet.
So
I put 10 on his face, bitch, my shoulda clean. I hit it from the back, I told her move her hands. Then slide my thumb in where her at. On your top, I'm with that bitch, don't look back.
Alright, how we sound? We are on the microphone. Shit. Can y'all hear me? I don't even know what it sounds like. It's like I'm freeballing right now. I'm gonna shoot a separate video. I just wanted to give you a taste of what it sounds like. But I'm gonna shoot a separate video. Damn it. Hold on. So I'm gonna shoot a separate video under different conditions. So I just wanted to show you what it sounds like at the meantime, so you don't have to go crazy. Like, what does it sound like? You just showed this and you didn't see what it sounds like? So you go, that's what it sounds like. But we don't stop here. I actually wanna pick up something from Target right now. It's for my son. This thing right here. The MetaQuest 3S. So if you use my link down below, you can get the MetaQuest for $300. MetaQuest 3S for $300, but you also get a $75 gift card with Amazon or Target. But the reason I'm telling you I use the link, because I get a kickback on the link, you heard? So let's go get that, and let's go get this gift card. Let's go. So we had 60% battery on the mic. So it shows it here. It's a great deal, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. My son's gonna be hyped. That's gonna be tough. See what I'm saying? Get the gift card. Get the gift card. Look. You could even do it online if you wanted to. So you're good to go. 128 gigs. It's not bad. This shit is tough. I might low-key just use the $75 gift card and get another one. Screw it.
I'm actually gonna bring it upstairs.
So I stepped into this McDonald's real quick because they had the music going. So I turned on noise canceling mode on the microphone. If you hear the music in the background, let me know in the comments down below. With that being said, that's the end of the video. Let me know how you liked it in the comments down below. Remember, use my link down below to order your MetaQuest 3S $75 gift card. Good to go. Link down below. I get a kickback. So. Anyway, I'm out. Peace.